John Angle with Haiti Partners here, and we're just crossing a river. You can see everybody. So it's kind of dramatic for some who aren't familiar with crossing rivers, but we have a group here from Silver Spring Presbyterian Church in Mechanicsburg. There's Brian and Pastor Don Steele and his wife are coming. And we just visited Kabwa Community School, and there was no way to get a large group like this by bus, so we had to come across the river. We had to walk across, and we have experts in the community who do this, who take people across. They know exactly what they're doing. So it's fun and exciting, even a little scary though, but we're happy that there's people interested in our work, and we're so grateful for the people who are making the learning center that we just visited possible, where some 250 children are going to receive an education. So we'll watch here a little bit for the watch them coming across the river. For those who are too scared to walk, there's people to carry them.
That's a recommendation, John. For that group coming down, tell them to bring props.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Yay!
Yeah.